guys, welcome back to Break Cafe Games channel, where this will be my first ever vlog. So today, I'm not gonna be doing gaming videos or what. It's gonna be a vlog. So I'm gonna go with my friend, my best friend, Julian. We're gonna ride an e-scooter. So we'll see you there. Peace. And we're back. So yeah, that's my man. So, you're my Uber driver for today, right?
Lol.
Oh, you're my Uber driver, right? So, as this is Valen,
Hi guys.
as you all know.
As you know, you remember me, the last video.
So, where we going, Valen, today?
First,
Very good.
we go to the hill, like you know, at the park.
Yeah.
We go there. Then I want to say to the people about this, how to ride safely. Then we will do some speed only for the vlog. Okay, I'm telling you now, just for the vlog.
Yeah.
But normally, you know, I drive.
Oh, bro.
Right?
I haven't eat yet.
Same one.
I just woke up this year.
But yeah, just for the vlog, I'm going to split. Let's speed okay? Then after that, I will tell what is the importance of the driving. Yeah, the safety, the rules Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Hop in.
Let's go.
Okay. Wait. Let me start my.
Yeah, I'll finish first. So guys,
Let's go.
now we're going. As you can see, it's quite fast.
Just show the camera to the throttle. Here. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now time to get some cinematics, you know, right?
Yeah.
So guys, now I'm gonna do cinematic. Go. Guys, this is like really fast. This is actually my second time, right? Yeah. Oh, got a lot of cars. Oh yeah, got bang. What? Guys, now we are at the heat. I'm kind of sick. Yeah, the heat is kind of hot now. But don't worry, we're going to go Safra after this time.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna try to attempt to go speed, so you guys can see how it feels like. So ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Steady, Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Go. Don't worry.
Second attempt, guys. Second lap. Ready? Yeah. You know, last time you scream at the curve there. You scream like, hey, really, ah! Remember? At this shade, cause when we at there just now it was really hot, it was really bright, and I'm just gonna edit. I'm just gonna put something first. Wait, hold on. So
The brightness, man.
yeah, the brightness. Now can see. Okay, guys. How do I look? I look handsome, right? No lah, no lah. Okay, yeah. There you go, Bill. Go talk.
Okay, guys, I just want to say that. Okay, I have many things to say, but let me just break it down into numbers. Okay, number one, please don't ever attempt speeding at home, like, or outside, because like me and my best friend over here has experienced like our friend getting into some accidents, like because they don't know how to handle it. Like
we don't want
yeah.
we don't want you guys to be like doing this kind of stuff or not. Like if you don't know how to ride it, then you suddenly kena bang in the car. Then
Yeah.
it's your fault, not our.
Yeah.
You have to be professional, like Villain, right?
Yeah, actually, you know how I become professional is like I learned from my father, because when I was young, I really don't know how to ride a bicycle, like a bike, bro,
Yeah.
a bicycle. So my father was a was a best friend to me, like helping in how to ride, and one day he teach me how to ride his motorcycle, a real one, bro, a real one. So, and that's where I become a professional like him. So yeah,
This is gonna be a long.
yeah. So okay, number two is please ride safely. You know why? Because your loved ones, like your parents, at at home thinking about you, worrying about you while you are riding outside. Because if something, sorry touch it if something happen to you, then your parents confirm will be disheartened, like you know, like you see before, right? So please ride safe, and you need to think about your loved ones, like who is sitting behind you at the back seat. So you need to make sure they are safe, and you need to drop them home safely. So please ride safe. And number three is don't ever think about speeding. Okay, speeding causes into accidents and much more lah. So if you really want to speed, like you really want to speed into in a corner, like you want, right? You just look for an enclosed place, like there's no one in the place that you want to speed. Make sure you look for that before you go into speed. So yeah, and wait, and number four is, actually I trying to say it but I getting forgotten, so wait. Okay, number four is like, okay, please ride safe, don't think about speed, and think about your loved ones. Yeah, these three things will make you not getting to these three things will make your life much easier, and you will be riding safe and happily.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Guys, so this is actually your first time hearing my voice and Villain's voice.
Yeah.
Because in the past I've been doing gaming, and I didn't actually have experience talking to you guys. Because now I'm sick, and you guys understand lah. Why?
Just pause.
Hey, he say wanna pause.
Yeah, just pause it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pause already lah.
Isiao
Come back. Okay, so guys, what Villain just talking was really serious, and he wasn't joking or what. Because this has happened a lot of times with students, anything, but just to be sure, please ride safe, okay? Right, Villain?
Yeah, please guys. I'm not talking shit. It's just to make sure you are safe. Okay? Yeah. Let's
Okay,
continue.
let's go to the Safra now. See ya. Hey guys, now we're back. Okay, so I'm officially in Safra. As you can see, you should Safra on. So guys, I want to tell you guys something. The most funniest thing ever. We come to Safra. I want to eat McDonald's. Then suddenly,
I forgot to bring lock.
his scooter, he forgot to bring his locker. And he forgot how. We got nothing choice, so we have to go to the bicycle shop and buy another lock.
Yeah, I know, right?
What
Funny.
the hell? But don't worry, after we buy them, he's gonna lock them, we're gonna go back. So now Bella wants to talk something.
Oh yeah, guys. The one last thing, please don't get mad on me. I just want to say the very last thing is, please be patient. In riding, patience is most important. Like, give way to like pedestrians and like vehicles. Like after they like in a crossing light, like traffic light, right? When they gone ready, then you move. Just don't go fast and get into accidents. Okay? And what do you say?
Okay, that's it, right? Okay, guys, so
What do you say?
we're gonna go to the bicycle shop and lock. So see you, my peace, yo. And we're back. Okay, guys, so finally Valen just bought the lock. Finally, I'm so fucking hungry. So guys, after this, we will be going to McDonald's to buy some food, and we will be recording and we'll be eating. So hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, it's gonna be the long vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, we're in the Mac, so I will show you the food.
Are you guys hungry?
Fuck you, I'm gonna eat. So yeah, so stay tuned on the later video. Okay, see ya. Peace. Guys, welcome back. So yeah, so we are in Safra. We are playing game. Yes,
Go.
he's good. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to Drink Like Your channel. So I just reached my home. As you can see, it's my home. So today it was really fun enjoying with my best friend, Lele. Okay, so I just want to say that for his driving license, I'll give him an A because he's good at curving and he's good at like he ride very safely. So guys, please follow him in Instagram.
Yeah, actually, right, you can just he know, he will put the link. So
Yeah, I also put my link to my Instagram also. Please subscribe, please like this video, and hit a huge thumbs up and share this video. So see ya, ma. No bad words. What?
and say, hey, guys, just now my friend say like about the incidents and before, right? Actually, not I get into accident. I mean, I saying we saw everyone getting into accidents. That's why I was telling the safety and the rules to you, how to handle a bike. So yeah.
So yeah guys, remember that. So please subscribe, like and share this video. Hit me to 10 likes at least and get this video about 56. So see you guys next time on the next vlog.